Hi, it's Mitch from Swap Time. I'm going to show you how to make a fuel line like this, or at least show you how to make one connection really quick. So first tool I'm getting, this is from Harbor Freight. It's a battery terminal crimper, and we're going to use this to hold the fuel line. So we'll run the fuel line through it, and you want to give it enough room to stick out where the fuel fitting will not bottom out against the die. But you don't want it too far out or else the line will kink on you. Alright. Put this on top of my workbench, which is a trash can, so you can see outside. Pull it down with the battery. Next I got a little bit of dishwash soap with water. We'll just lubricate this up. I got this mallet with a semi-hard end to it. I don't use the metal end so I don't damage the fitting. And we'll put it on here, line it up, and just start tapping it. Do real quick taps. Done. Super easy. Look how nice that is. Went all the way to the collar. You always want to pull on it hard as you can. Make sure it doesn't slip at all. And I already did this part. This took me a little bit more time because you have a 90-degree fitting, but same concept. I tap it here, but of course it wants to turn on you, so you just hold it. You do quick, rapid taps. It'll go right in there. This is my low pressure fitting I use. This is made by GM. This is used in certain GM cars. I'm going to start using this on Gen 5 swaps for our low fuel pressure sensor. And it's really, really nice setup. Leak-free connection, just like factory. I do have the connectors now and the wiring pin out for this. It's going on my truck today so I can test it, make sure there's no issues. But that's a quick and easy way to do it, to get around using the terrible Dorman tool. It has it's like a clamp that you squeeze together and it just doesn't work. It wears out after like a couple uses. And main thing is, as long as you can hold the line with some type of fitting, or even the Dorman toolkit comes with a bracket that holds the line. I just use that bracket and I put it in a vise and it holds the line up and you just tap it right in. We've done hundreds of fittings that way. It takes, it's 20 seconds. Super easy to do. So I highly recommend doing that. I use very little lubrication. You don't have to use it if you're worried about it, but just a little bit of soap and water won't hurt anything, and it will evaporate pretty quick. But it gets it right in there. So, and I'm able to make this complex line in about 5 minutes. With the tool, there'd be really no way you could easily make it like that. So pretty neat little solution I came up with. I was just trying to find a way to make this easy, and just took a hammer to it, and surprisingly it went right in, because it doesn't take a ton of force to get these in, but it does take just enough where you can't push them in by hand unless you're a beast. But using a dead blow hammer, just quick rapid hits, it just starts working its way right in there, and I've never had an issue. So hope this helps you guys out, and thanks for watching.